How to fix Instagram unable to refresh error. Let's get started. You open Instagram, pull down to refresh, and you get this pop-up unable to refresh feed again. Follow these steps to fix this issue. Firstly, launch your settings app. Navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Keep it first, restart your router and then rejoin it. Also switch between network, Wi-Fi and mobile data. Likewise, enable for the option airplane mode. Wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This will refresh your network. Next thing you want to do is force close the app. Swipe off from recent apps and force quit Instagram. Then relaunch it. This might also fix your issue. Next thing you want to do is clear cache for Instagram. For that, launch your settings app. Now navigate to the option General. Click on iPhone Storage. From the list of the apps, find Instagram. Launch it. Click on Upload app. Click on Upload app, then click on Reinstall app. With these solutions, your problem might be fixed. Now you can check Instagram server status. For that, navigate to this one website. Once you're over here, you can check the server status of Instagram, whether it has some outages or not. If Instagram is dealing with some outages, you have to wait until the problem will be resolved. If none of these solutions work, completely delete Instagram from your device and reinstall it. Press and hold on the Instagram, click on Delete app, click on Delete, then head towards Play Store or App Store, search for the app Instagram and then install it. So these are some fixes for Instagram unable to refresh error. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.